Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ADATA XPG XENIA 15G gaming laptop. So friend, the XENIA 15G is the cost-effective laptop for modern user. It will be comes with a 14th generation Intel Core i7 14700HS processor up to NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 series GPU, high-speed ADATA DDR5 DRAM and 15.6-inch Full HD IPS 144Hz display, and you can play anything and do everything without sacrificing performance. And friend, the Xenia 15G comes standard with high-speed 1TB ADATA LEGEND 850 SSD. A whopping total of 3 SSD slots have been provided, meaning that you can easily expand your storage capacity up to an impressive 24TB when paired with ADATA S70 8TB SSD, and similarly this unit comes with 16GB of ADATA DDR5 DRAM, but it can be expanded up to total of 96GB and perfect for intensive AI development and content creation workloads. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.